guys, this is Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So we've seen that Nifty has been consolidating in a very narrow range. In fact, it has been in the range of its previous Thursday. But before we move ahead, we have noticed that many of our viewers have not yet subscribed to our channel. So before we move ahead, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for timely market updates. So we've seen that Nifty has been, consolidating in a range. The good part is that support-based buying can be seen, but then again, upside, the momentum is clearly missing, which is making the upside a little capped. We've seen in the last 10 days, Nifty had really touched 19,875, but could not surpass these levels. So clearly, there is a little bit of hurdle which is placed here. Once it surpasses this level, we could see 20,000 on the cards next. On the flip side, support is placed at 19,700 and 19,650 zones. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, there has been clear underperformance here, which continues. Banking stocks have not really, aided to the movement in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, which clearly suggests that the range-bound move is to continue over here. The support would be 43,333 and the upside hurdle is placed at 44,250 zones. Once it crosses and holds above 44,000, only then will we see some sort of momentum again here. Now, India VIX has been fairly, cooling down in the entire week, which suggests that bulls have been comfortably making a position. But then again, the momentum is clearly missing. Talking about sector specific, we've seen some really good action in auto space as well as some of the defense name, including the CPSE names. So these two sectors are the ones which we can watch out for the next week. Also, some of the pharma names have done really well and some sort of short covering as well as long built up can be seen over here. So watch out for these three sectors for the coming week. We have the monthly expiry, so of course volatility cannot be ruled out. There will be swings, so trade accordingly. That's it for this week. See you again next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.